Hi, I'm Maddie and I'm a Giants ambassador. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make double chocolate cupcakes. Let's review the ingredients you will need to make the cupcakes. 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 large egg, room temperature, half a cup of buttermilk, room temperature, half a cup of hot brewed coffee, 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, half a teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. You will also need measuring cups and measuring spoons. You will also need a stand mixer fitted with a paddle attachment and a whisk attachment. First, preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and line the cupcake tin with 12 cupcake liners. In the bowl of a stand mixer, mix together flour, sugar, cocoa powder, baking soda, baking powder, and salt. Mix it together and set aside. In a separate bowl, mix together egg, hot brewed coffee, vegetable oil, buttermilk, and vanilla extract. Mix together. Add the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and mix. Place the bowl on the stand mixer and beat on medium speed for 2 minutes. Divide the batter evenly between the cupcake liners and bake for 20 minutes, or until a toothpick insert comes out clean. Let them cool for 10 minutes before transferring to a wire rack to cool completely. Now that we have made our cupcakes, we now have to make the buttercream. Here are the ingredients that you will need to make the buttercream. 4 large egg whites, or half a cup, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 cup of unsalted butter, room temperature, cubed, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 cup or 6 ounces of melted chocolate, cooled to just above room temperature. In a medium bowl, mix together egg whites and sugar. Place the bowl over a pot or saucepan of simmering water and gently stir until very hot to touch or until a candy thermometer reads 143 degrees. Immediately pour the egg whites in a clean bowl of a stand mixer with a whisk attachment and whisk until they have cooled, doubled in volume, and hold medium peaks. This should take 8 to 10 minutes. Next, turn the mixer to medium-low speed and add the butter a few cubes at a time. Once all the butter has been added, turn the mixer to medium-high and beat for 2 more minutes. Stop the mixer to add the vanilla and scrape down the sides of the bowl. Then beat for 2 more minutes on medium speed. After 2 minutes, add the melted chocolate and beat for 1 more minute. Once your buttercream is done, it should look like this. You can now put it in a piping bag to pipe and decorate your cupcakes. Thank you for watching. Please make sure to like this video and subscribe to Giants Network Inc.